take your time. You know what I mean? After you're already making money, just take your time with passing the challenge for gratification. You know, I don't know how many
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the High Power Trading channel. It's a pleasure to have y'all. And if you are tuned in today, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great start to your day. And I don't know if we're going to make money today, but I know we're going to come in with a positive attitude. So give yourself a round of applause if you showed up to the market today. If you showed up and you're committed to the journey, because it's a journey, it's a process, and it's not gonna come easy. Hey, anybody that tell you trading is easy, liar. Trading is not easy, not easy at all, but it gets easier with time, right? So it's all about consistency, it's all about the growth, it's all about trying to become a better person, right? So anyway, we're here today, man. Today, as you know, US30 NAS, all I trade. Let's just get past that. What kind of news we have today? We have S&P CS Composite 20 HPI year over year. I don't even know what that is, but I know some volume may come in at 9 o'clock. And then at 10 o'clock, we got CB Consumer Confidence, New Home Sales, Richmond Manufacturing Index, more volume coming in at 10 o'clock. That's all it really tells me. That's it, pretty much. I would say I'm not really a fundamental guy. I like to know when it happens, because I know volume comes in the market, but I'm not going to say, I know all the fundamentals and I pay attention. No, I don't. So, I just purchased this new software yesterday. It's TradeZilla. So I can track my trades. Anyway, I used to track my trades, but I tracked it in like a book. And that's how I primarily kept up with like my trading. But I decided it's time to invest into software. So that's what I did. Round of applause for taking action. The shit cost a lot. Well, did it cost a lot? I don't think so. It cost is all about what you believe is worth it. If it's worth it for you, the cost is irrelevant, right? The cost is irrelevant. So I'm gonna say it didn't cost a lot, but to someone else, it might be a lot for that type of purchase. Transparency, it cost $350 to purchase this software for the year. So I got the software for the whole year. I'm gonna be tracking my trades. I got my journal on there. I'm gonna be transparent. I'm gonna show everybody how I've been, like, just keeping a track record of my trading. So, like, just understand that, you know. I'm a big transparency guy, and I like to be transparent, because this industry's not a lot of transparent dudes. I'll be honest with you. So anyway, I'm looking at this buy right now. Definitely looking at this buy right here, US30. I see this move. I'm trying to catch this. I also noticed that there's no liquidity that has been taken out yet. No London, no yesterday high, yesterday's low. Nothing was taken out yet. So I'm looking at that a potential positive, you know, and I want to risk a nice size on this trade because I believe in it. So should you, but believe in yourself first, obviously. What's good, D? Hold on. Let me mute myself real quick. Let me get in this buy stop. Yeah, hold on. Let me mute myself on this thing real quick before I let everybody hear What I'm saying. Mike. Hello, 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 hello. Ooh. Alright, I'm back. I do that for the volume check just to see if my volume is alright. Sorry. Kind of sounded like a dickhead. But, as I said, I do that for the volume check just to see if my volume's alright. Obviously. Anyway, it's time to have a great week, man. No matter how hard it gets, you can't give up, bro. You cannot give up. You cannot give up, bro. Trust me. This has been one of the hardest period of my life. Current to date. The fucking hardest. I swear to God, bro. Swear to God. Hardest. But I can't give up. I can't give up. I can't stop now. I did all of this. I can't stop now. I can't stop now. I just gotta keep going, man. I just gotta, no matter what, just keep going. Keep going, keep trying. Fuck it, just keep trying, keep going, keep trying. Cause what good does it make for you to just give up? What do you get from giving up? What do you get from being negative? What do you get from quitting? This audio current bit rate is lower than the recommended bit rate. I don't fucking know what you mean. Open widget. Alright, it says excellent. That was at 8:15. Excellent. Alright, baby. Anyway, yeah, what do you get from giving up? You don't get nothing from giving up. Today is August 26th, 2023. I'm still trying, man. I'm still trying. And I'm telling y'all right now, I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it. I'm going to be the 7-figure trader making 7-figure income per month. Not only from trading, but other things too. I'm going to do it. And I'm going to clip these videos of me talking. I'm going to put it on a Snapchat or Reel or whatever. And I'm going to show you. It's possible, bro. You can do. You just can't quit. You can do it. I know I can do it. You can do it too. Just cannot quit. You can't give up. Shit gonna get hard. You just gotta you gotta bounce back. Just bounce back harder every time. Bounce back. Get back on your feet. Shit, I fall down so many times or before, bro. Experience burnout, experience depression, fatigue. Just the list can go on. I swear to God, the list can go on. But you cannot quit. You cannot quit. As Andrew Tate says, when a rocket is going out of the atmosphere, for it to get out of the atmosphere of Earth, atmospheric pressure, it shoots up. It cannot take a pause. It cannot say, hold on, I'm tired, let me break. It just got to keep going, shoot up. It just got to keep going up. And that, if you make the analogy to your life, obviously nothing's just a straight up situation. But as humans, we will encounter fatigue. We will encounter losses. We will encounter depression. We will encounter changes in situations and hurdles and upsets and obstacles and bumps and roads and everything. We will encounter that. But you must keep going. You cannot abort mission. Do not abort mission. If things don't work out this way, switch it, pivot, figure out another way, try another way. But you cannot quit. Do not quit. You cannot quit. Quitting is for losers. Are you a loser? If you're not a loser, do not quit. Keep going. Just keep trying no matter what. But you got to be trying with a purpose. You can't just be, oh, I'm going to do this. You got to be trying with a purpose. So everything you got to do, have intention behind it. You cannot quit. Just keep going, man. We trade in US30, NAS US30. It's a regular everyday thing. That's what I trade every day, primarily. On NAS, I would say it's been at these lows quite some time, but it did run the lows of yesterday, and it ran the highs yesterday. So NAS is not super favorable to me in comparison to US30, seeing how the lows hasn't been ran yet on US30 or the highs. The London lows even haven't been ran yet either. The London didn't really create highs, just whatever. But it didn't run yesterday's lows or yesterday's highs. And the market does that every single day. Every single day. It attacks a low or it attacks a high or both. Some days it does nothing. But it's very rare that it does just nothing. It has to be just like a bum ass day. Like even yesterday was trash for me, but it still ran a low. Still ran the low of the day prior. It does it every day. Literally every day it does it. So it runs either a low of yesterday or the high of yesterday, the day before. Vice versa. Just however you trade, just trade that way. This is just how I trade. I like to look at opportunities based on where a market can go next. And obviously, that's what we all do. We try to predict on where it can go next. So that's how we make money. Anil, what's up, man? Or girl? Don't know if you're a boy or girl. My fault. What's up? I hope your day is going great. We here to make some fucking money, man. As you know, every day. Shout out to you for showing up another day to the markets. I was preaching about this shit just like 2 minutes ago, but it's gonna be fucking hard. This shit ain't easy. Trading is not fucking easy. It's probably one of the hardest industries to make money. Hardest, because you're fighting with yourself every day. And nobody wants to fight with himself every day. I'm gonna be honest with you. That shit's hard. But anyway, we here. We're making money, man. I'm gonna post my Telegram in the chat box on YouTube. Let's see if I can make one. You said facts. I'm good, my G. What's good, bro? Copy link. So I'm still looking for this trade off the highs to be ran. I got my buy limits or buy stop in order right here. Let me pull it up. I got my buy stop in place right now. I'm looking for, I'll probably leave it right here. Probably down a little bit. I'm looking for one of the highs, obviously. Boom. What I see right now is a lot of pressure coming back to the highs or coming upwards, like a lot of upward pressure. Let me put it up on trading views. A lot easier to show on trading view. A lot easier to show on trading view. As you can see, I put these arrows, but we have this, say, let's call this the last area of structure based on, you can see structures on the 1 hour. I see on the 1 hour structure. 1 hour structure, we broke this right here. This area came down, boom, we created structure. We didn't break the low of yesterday. You could see that big wick doji candle, weak as hell, and it turned around and went back up. So we can see a lot of sellers lost in that fight. Buyers came in and they started winning, and the market started turning back up. But we had this last lower high right there. So I'm looking for a break of structure. Well, it broke structure already. I'm just looking for it to just keep going up, obviously. I got my stops below the last low created on the 5 minute. Looking to make some, some profit as usual. Got this low. Boom. If you look on the 1 minute, it's more structured detail, but I'm definitely looking from once it goes above this candle, looking for it to take it higher, but obviously it could be a break and retest before it takes higher. I'm like a breakout trader. I like to see breakouts. I like to see the market go in one direction and just keep going. Not gonna cap. I look kind of crazy today, but I ain't get a haircut in like 2 weeks now. Not sure. Also, I bought this. Also, I bought this software, TradeZilla, so I can track all of my trades. I can see my trades on all of the metrics, everything. Just like you can see the overall metrics of my trades, my profit factor, my average wins, the average losses, my net profit, etc., etc. The winning days, losing days. This is what it looks like from this month. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losing days. Excuse me. One of my losing days was a day I wasn't even supposed to trade, which was dumb. Shouldn't have been trading on that day, but as I said, this is a ongoing fight, like battling yourself, doing dumb shit, just making mistakes. So just trying to figure out how to make no mistakes. I don't trade on Wednesdays. That's why you see no trades on Wednesdays. So that whole area in the Wednesdays, I don't trade Wednesdays at all. So that's a part of my discipline. Wednesdays suck, and I just don't trade them. It sucks for my trading system. I don't trade. So that's why you see that there's no trades placed on a Wednesday. So I will probably move this I'll probably close this limit order at like 9:25. I still haven't got filled in. Don't want to be a part of the open. Don't want to get slaughtered in the open. So I would just close. You're only risking 1-to-1 ratio? Yes. Only risk 1-to-1. I only risk 1-to-1 on most of my trades. Obviously, this is just the way I trade. I can definitely get more out of a trade. Don't get me wrong. I can definitely get more out of a trade. It's just primarily what works for me. All right. I backtested. I got results. I got statistics, metrics, all type of shit for this trading. I can come out profitable at the end of the month. It's just you cannot make mistakes, and that's the hardest part. You can't. How do you apply time and price? Time, I only trade after 8. So 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. is the only time I trade. So usually what I would like to see is news. What I would like to see is when is volume coming into the market. So I already know 9:30, a lot of volume comes in the market. I don't like to trade at 9:30, but I'll trade like 9:35. Like 5 minutes after the open, I could take a trade. Time, so that's how I use time. Price is usually just like I like to see, did it run a high, did it run a low, how far is the high and low, because you can see from an entry, if I enter right here, next high is like TP3, so it can possibly get there, so I can know how much I want to get out of a trade by determining where I feel like it can go next. That's pretty much how I determine like how my price. I think that if I didn't answer your question correctly, just let me know. And I usually determine price of a structure. So as you can see, structure is clear as day on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, you can even see it better. But see it, boom, made highs. It broke structure right here, came back, broke structure again right here. Another retest, broke structure again. So this retest could come back and potentially make break structure again. As I said, I'm a breakout trader, so I could take the breakout again from here, look for the easy 1-to-1, clean up and walk away. But let me know if I answer your question correctly. Just let me know. Do you use the power of 3 algo? No. The only algo I use is the it's not even an algo, it's like an EA. It's a trade assistant EA. So it helps me manage the trade. So I can, right here you will see I can determine how much I want to risk on a trade just by putting here. If I want to risk 1%, let's say 1%. I put 1, and then it would automatically generate my lot sizes automatically. And if I want to risk 1-to-1, automatically generates how much 1-to-1 will look like from my stop loss. So basically, it makes the adjustment for the TP based on the stop loss. And it adjusts the lot size too. You could do sales like market orders. These are the buy and sell button is just a market order. Sell stops, sell limits, or limit orders. So when price gets through it, that's when it gets tapped in. What else can I do? There's a whole bunch of shit. Like you could say at when I get in and it goes to 20 pips, close this X amount. So you could close 20% at 10 pips. If that's whatever you just whatever you would do, you can control it in this box. Like I wouldn't have to do that. So that's why I like this trade assistant, because it's like a Magic Keys. If you ever heard of Roger Banks Magic Keys, it helps with the managing of a trade. It's less mental energy going into planning the trades or actually managing the trades when something else can just do it for you. Especially if you're taking a prop firm challenge, you don't really want to know, hey, I'm risking, because my risk changes every day. Like it changes based on structure. So today could be 12 pips, tomorrow could be 50, and I want to remember 50 lot sizes, 50 stop loss points. How much is that? Okay, let me do the math. No, sometimes the trade happens so fast, I don't even have to think about it. I just boom, put it in there. It generates the lot size for me. It already knows I want to risk 1%, 2%. It just does it on its own. It leaves all the mental stuff out of it. I can just focus on taking the trade, managing the trade, and just the proper execution of the trade. It takes out more human error. So yeah, this is. It's not an algo. It's an EA, but it's not an automatic EA. It's a manual EA. I have to control it myself. It just helps me and manages my trade. I got this system a couple months ago. I bought it for like $50. It's been amazing. As for me, it helped me become more consistent because I can eliminate some of the errors that I would make by myself if I was supposed to do it by myself. Because there's a lot of people that make a lot of errors just based on stop losses, just based on entries, just based on how much risk you put on a trade. Like there's so much errors that can go in just on the basic shit, on the basic level of trading, like which is stop loss, which is just execution. That's the basic, but that's how you make money, on the execution, when you get in and when you get out. So if you can make less errors on the getting in and the getting out, you can essentially become more consistent. But hey, it's different for everybody. Probably this wouldn't work for you because you're more, I don't know how to say it, but I think it could work for anyone. Honestly, I think this could work for anyone. But if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. It works with me though. So this one is going crazy. This one definitely just dropped out. I thought it was going to continue the trend, man. It's 8:33. We have news at 9 o'clock. I'm not shaken up by this news at all. I don't think this is anything to worry about. Even though it's an orange folder, nothing to worry about. Even this consumer confidence, nothing to worry about. It just means more volume coming into the market. I don't believe it's going to be something crazy like a CPI or PPI or FOMC. It's just volume. That's why I say I don't care about news. You say I most likely apply ICT concepts. As I said, I don't trade ICT, but I understand some of the concepts because I've watched a couple of his videos, took a couple, it's just a compilation. I think trading is just a compilation of things that you learned over the past years. Like it's never just one thing. It's never like, oh, I know ICT, so it's because ICT trades so much things. He has like a whole bunch of ways to enter into the market. He's been trading for like 30 years, so he has like 20, 30, 40 different ways you can enter the market. So you just choose which one works for you. So it's just a compilation of knowledge that you put together to create a system. So obviously you create a system and a strategy goes within the system. So whatever strategy that is, you can't just say I trade ICT, because ICT is such a broad thing. He just teaches you how to get into the market with many different ways to get into the market. So you can't just say I trade ICT. It's more like I trade ICT concepts, but in ICT concepts, I trade this way, and this is my strategy. And then in the strategy gets placed inside the system. So you only take 1 or 2 trades a day. You only trade New York session. You only trade 1 to 2% a day. Like, that's the system. That's the system around the strategy. So it keeps you from breaking rules, or it keeps the rules. So you now have to be disciplined to not break the rules, so you can see consistent profitability. If that makes any sense. I hope it does. But yeah, bro. Trading is not, bro. Nigga, who you telling, bro? Fuck. I've been at this for 3 years now. So my 3-year mark was in April of this year. I've been at this for 3 years now. 3 fucking years. And honestly, bro, it's just been the hardest fucking journey ever. But the point is, the longer you need to be consistent with a certain thing. That's the only way you're going to get better, is by being consistent with a certain thing, certain way of trading. Because if you can be consistent, then you can see what works and what doesn't work. If you keep changing it up, you'll never know what works, because you tried this and you tried it. ICT has so much concept. You can't say you trade order blocks and you trade fair value gaps. And you could trade a compilation, but that's a system in a strategy in a system. But you can't just say I trade. No, it's consistency. You just trade this. This is what you look for. This is the time you look for. This is how much trades you take a day. How much percent you risk a day. This is the days you trade. This is the days you don't trade. That goes. It differs from person to person, but the system has to be in place for you to see consistency. And it's one of the easiest, hardest fucking part. I'm not gonna cap. Because after you created the system, you basically put yourself in this box. And you can't break out of this box. You want to put yourself in a box, though. You want to put yourself in, I want to call it a box because it's not closed. But it's like a perimeter around you of shit that you don't want to break. You want to just keep this consistent. You don't want to break this, because if you break this thing, you don't know what you're doing anymore. You're just doing anything. And you don't want to just do anything in this shit, because you're not going to get anywhere just doing anything. So I see it coming down and it's breaking all this structure. So it's looking like sells, unfortunately. But we'll see, man. We'll see if it even makes sense for me, because it might not make sense for me to even go for this trade. Because if I would do it, my stop loss would probably be like right here. It would make sense because the lows is right here. I could still get the 1-to-1, clean 1-to-1, possibly. It just depends. But yeah, I was ranting, bro. My fault. This rant comes from just being so passionate about the craft. It's not even just making the money, because obviously you can make money in trading. We all know you can make money in trading. There's a whole bunch of trading influences that show you can make fucking money in trading. But you have to be passionate about it. Some of them are faking it, obviously. We all know there's scams. We all know there's a lot of people faking it. But let's get over that. There's people that are actually really doing it, but they have to focus on the craft. They have to focus on making the system or the way of trading perfected, so they can start making money. So it's never just I make a whole bunch of money in trading and I just started last week or last month or probably even last year. If somebody says they make a whole bunch of money trading and they just started last year, you should really look at them. You should question them. I'm not gonna cap. You should question them. You should, because if you actually been in trading more than a year, you fucking know that it's not easy, bro. You should question their intentions. Why? How the hell did they get to so much money in a year? How did you do that? How is it possible? Obviously, I don't want to be sounding like a hater. I just want to validate whatever you're saying, because I don't want to just take it for whatever you're saying like at face value, because that's probably bullshit. It's a lot of scammers in this shit. A lot of scammers, bro. It's a lot of scammers in trading. Definitely is. But as in anything, there's a lot of scammers in anything. There's a lot of scammers in real estate. There's a lot of scammers in e-commerce. There's a lot of scammers in anything. I think so. Anything. There's a lot of scammers in anything. I don't think you can get away from scammers, bro. I don't think it's possible to get away from scammers, bro. You just got to be able to be smarter to pick it out. Like, scammers in everything. Everything. Every damn thing. There's scammers in everything. Every market, there's scammers. People with bad intentions. This is why I try to build my brand on integrity. You see me, I'm trading live. Anybody who watches me, they see it live. I just bought this TradeZilla so I can track my trades. You can see, I don't care if you see that my trading is not making me $1 million, or I lost yesterday, or I lost last week. It was a negative week last week. Last month was. I don't care. This is all for me to be just transparent. So eventually, when shit start working out for me, niggas stop calling me a scam. Even though they probably still call me a scam. Hey, fuck it. There's only so much you can do. There's only so much you can do. What else are you supposed to do, bro? There's only so much you could do. So, trading live, I have a group chat where I post all my trades. I post my results for the day. I got TradeZilla. I mean, what else do you want to do? Like, you want to sit on my lap and watch me trade? Like, what the fuck else? What the fuck else you want? I'm telling you, bro, it's hard to please people. You can't please people, I swear to God. You cannot please people. You might as well just live your life, bro. Might as well live your life, bro. They think you scamming. As long as you know you're not scamming, you're not hurting nobody. You don't have no malicious intentions. Just live your life, bro. Live your life, bro. I'm 26 right now. I started at 23. That makes sense, right? I've been in here for 3 years. So yeah, I started at 23. I didn't start at 23. I knew about trading since I was 18. I started taking it serious at 23. So yeah, it took a little while. I went to school. I did the whole education thing. I graduated with a degree. I got the good job. I did it. I did what society said should be done for you to be successful. Obviously, you're not going to be successful in a year after gaining a degree, but when you go into an establishment that they said this is how you become successful, and you look at the people who's been in there for 10, 15 years, and you're like, you're definitely not the image that I see myself being when I'm your age. Like, you don't look successful to me, sir. This is what 10 years in this company look like. You do not look successful to me, sir. I'm just gonna leave. I said that's what I did. I left. Obviously, I still have a job, but you're not gonna get successful doing what society tells you successful is. Definitely not gonna get successful doing that. I promise you. You're not. You have to be outside of the norm to be successful. You cannot do what society tells you to do and become successful. You cannot. You will not. you'll make some money. You'll probably make enough to retire when you're 65, 70. But having $10 million at 65 is like, you're 65, bro. You know how much shit that's going wrong with your body at this point? And now you want to have fun? Now you want to go outside and travel and enjoy life now at 65? Fuck. It's tough, bro. I'd rather go through the struggle right now. I'd rather struggle until I'm like 30. I still got my youth. You know, I can still go outside. I still have fun. I can still, obviously, I'm not 21 with a supercar and a Richard Million. But I'm still young. I can still do it. I definitely believe in the next 5 years, I'm going to be so fucking far, bro. And I feel like everybody, if you in this industry, you want to make it far in this industry, you should have the same belief. You should believe that you're going to make it far. You should believe that you can do it. Because if you don't believe, who the fuck will? I don't believe. I don't believe it if you don't believe it. If you don't believe it, you could do it. I don't believe it. I definitely don't believe it. Why the fuck should I? How long Andre has been trading? Same amount of time. Same amount of time as me. But he's just younger. Smart dude though. I like Andre. Good friend of mine. We relate on so much topics, bro. We relate on so much topics because he's just a little younger than me. He's 21. I'm 26. So I got 5 years on him. But the experience that he has is like, what the fuck? Like to think about taking that jump, taking that leap, doing the things that he's doing at his age, just like, bro, I did not think that, bro. I got a lot of respect for him, bro. How long he's been trading? 3 years. But you can connect with him to find out more. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think it's 3 years. Yeah, he's good, bro. He's good. He's gonna be a shoot, bro. When he turns my age, shit, that nigga gonna be killing, bro. I'm telling you, 100%. That nigga gonna be killing, bro. 100%. That's the only. As far as like people who I trade with, it's probably the only person I can vouch for because he's the only one that's been super consistent and been super transparent. Like that's the only person I can really talk for, or vouch for. That's the only person I could put my name behind because I know his work ethic, the way he tries to be transparent. Like, definitely, like that's the type of people you want to keep around you, bro. Not go cap. All right, as I said, it looks like sales. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this buy limit. I probably risk less on this trade because it's probably less likely to happen. So I'm gonna drop my risk back down to 1%. I keep moving around this screen. I'm gonna drop my risk back down to 1%. I'm probably risk only there. I see this little fair value gap right here. It could possibly close that before it goes finish it. Who knows? That's the thing about it. I say like I know ICT concepts, so I understand it. Do I trade it? No. But I understand it. I trade my own strategy. I don't think nobody trades like me. But as you see, like I put 1% here and it changes the lot size. So see if I bring in the stop loss, it brings in the take profit as well. And it brings in the lot size. The lot size is in the middle. You see 2.4. Now if I stretch it out, the lot size changes to 0.90. So it does it on its own. So that's the beautiful part of this EA, that I don't have to do the legwork to figure out how much I want to trade, how much I'm risking, all that stuff. So I'm risking 1% behind this trade. As I said, I don't really like it. I don't really like the setup. I would really like buys, but I'm not. I don't marry a trade. I don't marry a bias. I don't marry a bias. It's whatever I see, I see. If I like it, I'll take it. I don't marry it. If I lose, I lose. It is okay. It's okay to lose. It is. It's fucking okay. It's okay. If you're scared to lose, this might not be the industry for it. So I took this buy. How much pip stop loss is this? 60 points. 60 point stop loss. On US30, 60 points is not crazy. 60 point stop loss is not crazy at all. Yeah, bro, the losses are lessons. Yeah, they're learning opportunities. As Druzy says, I don't know if you know who Druzy Banks is. He's like a GJ trader, but he said it's just learning opportunities. Even if you did everything perfect, you can still lose. That's the part that actually sucks, because I could do everything perfect. Everything. Execution, flawless. Stop loss, on point. Everything. And you'll still fucking lose, bro. That shit hurts sometimes. I'm not gonna cap, bro. That shit hurts. Hurts. But yeah, drop down the risk. Only 1% on this trade. I don't really like it. I just took it. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'm gonna post this in my group chat. As I said, super transparent. I don't usually post the trades before I get into them, because it's like I'm waiting to get into the trade. So once I'm in the trade, then I post the trade. I really like this trend line opportunity, man. This would have been nice. This would have been nice. This would have been clear buys. But we'll see. It might turn around. Possibly give me another chance, because I only risk 2% per day. So I could split it 1%, 1%, or I can split. I could just do 2% on one trade and that be it, or I just take no trades. That's my options. You say, why don't you trade gold? Gold is a little bit too crazy for me, bro. A lot of people say US30 is crazy, but gold is crazy. Definitely fucking nuts, bro. I'm good on gold. Good. You trade gold, bro? You trade gold, bro? Cause let me know, man. You definitely skilled. I'm not gonna cap. You're skilled. If you trade gold, you're skilled. Yeah, I'm gonna close this trade before 9:30 if I don't like price action though. Usually 9:30 comes in, does whatever it wants to do, and then it goes in a direction. Usually for the rest of the day. So I'm definitely gonna close before 9:30. Let's see, if I don't get stopped out before 9:30, I'll just close at whatever it is, whatever price gives me. It's been a slow day yesterday. Might be a slow day today too. We'll see. Be right back. Let's see. You got a haircut, man. I'm gonna get a haircut probably Friday. Maybe Saturday. Yeah. I think Saturday is a better day. So I could just start the week off. Start the Sunday off. Fresh. Clean. You feel me? It's only right, man. It's only right. Hey, men, clean your fingertips. Cut your nails. Keep your nails good. I mean, it sounds feminine, but listen. The girls like to see it, bro. They like to see that your nails is clean. They cut. They taken care of. You got that. You feel me? And the skin is pretty, and the haircut is fly. Ooh. All you gotta worry about after that, just looking good, maybe. Smelling good. Ooh. Smelling good. Underrated. Very underrated. Smelling good? Listen, get you some nice cologne. Whatever you call nice. Some nice cologne. I got a whole bunch of cologne. You got from all different brands, high end and low end. So it just depends. It depends on the he knows that gold is crazy. Snip. Oh, this is you, bro? Okay. You got the wink entry? Okay. Let me look at gold real quick. Bro got the wick entry. Wick entry? On gold? Let me look in 1 minute and see. I took the wick entry. Is it because you seen this big fair value gap that it dropped down, maybe come back and reverse and take it out? Was that the idea behind it? Yeah, I could see that. Like, oh, boom, 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 it dropped. Just take the next one. Maybe I could see that. I could definitely see it. Explain it to me, bro. I want to know.
God is great. God is great.
I'm going with New York reversals. I just took out London lows. Okay. London lows. Okay. It took out London lows way before this drop, though. You can see London lows is right here. It took out London lows way before this drop. So this big drop was before London lows. Explain it to me, bro. Definitely want to know. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't have to. Like, what is your system behind that? Like, how do you stay consistent with wick entries? Because I know wick entries is not sustainable, to say the least. Sustainable is not. It's definitely not sustainable. I tried wick entries before, but when you try to catch tops and lows, tops and bottoms, you end up fucking yourself over because the market just keeps going. That's just my personal experience. I don't want to tell you what works and what doesn't. Works for you, works. Works for you, works, man. Definitely can't tell you what will work, what doesn't work. Nor do I want to. See, it look like it's making little peaks down there. It's making little peaks like it wants to go. I'm up $82. That's trash, but hey, it is what it is. Come on, man. Looking like it wants to go lower. Just go lower, man. Nothing's gonna really make it drop right now, but we did have that news at 9 o'clock. I told you it was gonna be nothing crazy, cause you could see that 9 o'clock candles ain't shit. The way I catch weight entries, so most of the times I'll be focused on the time for high volatility and price. What time is that? I think is 8 to like 9:30, maybe even 10. I think that's around the time. But what time would you consider that? 9 o'clock. Come on, give me that drop, man. send alert. TP smacked. If it gets there. If price is like close to down here before 9:30, I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna go through the open with it, because that usually it's just gonna give it to me right there. Or I just put that price like break even, so 9:30 don't take me out. Be back, bro. Be headed to work at 11:10. Okay, we getting a nice little move now. Nine o'clock. Facts. 9 o'clock. Facts. Facts. Let me look at gold. That happened at 8:35 though, bro. What you mean? Just question you. Make sure you know you're on point. Obviously, you don't have to answer me. That move you called is like around 8:30, 8:35. That's a good move, though. That's a good catch. How much did you risk, and how much did you? What was the risk reward? It was. Definitely was, but I'm not gonna cap. Those you could catch a wick entry. It's like you could catch like a 1 to 10. If it's a good move like that. If you like say you caught a wick entry and your stop loss is like a couple pips under, because you caught like right here. Let's get the ruler. Right here. 10 pips under. Maybe gold 15 pips. And then for another 40. Nice. 1 to 3. Facts. Easy. 1 to 3. Facts. Good catch though. Let's see if you can keep that up. Let's see if you can keep wick entries up. I'm telling you, that shit is hard, boy. Shit hard, boy. But you gonna see. Come back tomorrow. I want to see if you can catch another wick entry. Well, I don't trade on Wednesdays. Thursday. What is US30 doing now? Okay, it's getting closer. the federal government may be headed towards a shutdown. Why you say that? Conspiracies be just flying around, man. Can't believe everything, brother. Can't believe everything. Until it actually shuts down, then we got something to talk about. But until then, I ain't too worried. Okay, Ace. Okay, my boy. Quick. How much is that? 1,600. Quick little 1,600 off a 500 deposit, brother. You make 1,600 off a 500 deposit, bro. Don't over leverage. Don't blow your account. I know you had to leverage some shit for that. Don't blow your account. You're trading gold. Don't blow your account. It's possible to make that money, but you definitely have to over leverage to get that. It's not. To make over $1,000 with only $500 in your account, you just doubled your account in one day. That you have to over leverage. I'm telling you, you have to. It's literally no, you can't do it no other way. You gotta over leverage. So just be careful. I'm 4 years experience, Kena. Hey, brother, I trust you. I'm just saying, hey, 4 years of experience, you can still blow an account. That doesn't mean you can't blow an account anymore, because you're 4 years in. I just hope you know that. Anybody can blow an account. But 4 years in, definitely that's a good enough experience to know what you're doing. I flipped accounts before, but I've also blown some accounts. Yeah. Shit, I might. See, I've been trading funded for like a year now. You said proper risk management is where it's all at. Definitely. Definitely. Proper risk management is where it's at. But honestly, if you don't care about $500, fuck it. You got a good trade, fuck it. It doesn't matter, bro. If you don't care about it, if you don't care about losing $500, like people, you can, when people say you're over leveraging, you can only say that, or you're doing something crazy. You can only say that based on someone's experience, one, and how much they have in their account. So I know how much you had, 500, but you said your 4 years of experience can give you that confidence to take a trade and over leverage on it. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I'm saying. So don't listen to me, Ace. Don't listen to me. If you don't give a fuck about the 500, fuck it. Do what you gotta do. That's a quick withdrawal. I'm not gonna cap. Withdraw at 500. Keep playing with the rest of the money. You already got your money back. I don't believe that the U.S. government's gonna shut down. Like, How will it shut down? Why would it shut down? Can't believe everything, brother. Can't believe everything. Some things are just here to scare you, just like COVID. Can't believe everything. You know, one of the most powerful governments in the whole entire world is gonna shut down. Come on, make it make sense. In the whole world, or a global superpower. Not to say any other places is not good, but just America is like one of the top, like one at the top. You got America, you got China, you got Russia. India's up there too. But that's like, come on. Before American government shut down, all of the banks in the world have to shut down. All of the in America has to shut down. If that happens, then the American government's going to shut down. Then I believe that. If all of the banks shut down, I definitely believe that. Fuck yeah. Because that's what runs America. Money. So if people don't got money, then some shit gonna happen, man. Some shit's destined to happen. No daily target is 5. No daily target is 5K, my G. I only trade New York session. That's where the money's at. So your target is 5K a day with $500, or is that like the overall target? You can do it, by the way. I know people can do it. Like, I see FXL's G. He turned $100 into, what is it now? I don't know, 200. I think it's at 200K right now. This shit is fucking possible. This shit is possible. Definitely fucking possible. He showed us that it is possible. People probably gonna say he's still a scam. Maybe. I don't think he's scamming. You can't be this open and scamming, but you can. You can at the same time. You can. You definitely can. What's that dude name from Africa? Hush Puppy? I think that was his name, Hush Puppy. Or something. Something like that. I heard he was big scamming. But he was all on social media. What's the name on your YouTube? What's my name on YouTube? I'm just gonna post it in the chat. I'm gonna post my YouTube in the chat so you could see in Telegram chat. Because I'm live streaming right now, so you could just click on it, boom. Easy. There you go, my boy. Follow your boy, man. Just trying to grow the channel. Good looking. I appreciate your support, man. For real, for real. Appreciate your support. Definitely gonna support whatever you got going on. If you decide you want to create a channel, you got my support. I'm a sub up. If you feel like you want to create your own Telegram channel, I'm gonna join the Telegram channel. I'll be posting in there, whatever. If you, I don't fucking know. YouTube, Instagram, whatever. I don't care. I'll show support too. That goes for Ace. Ace, you too, bro. Anything you got going on, I'll support it. Just don't be scamming nobody. Nobody scam nobody. Don't scam nobody. I don't fuck with scammers. If I find out that's what you up to, I'm gonna cut you off. Nobody scam nobody. Just try to get your own money first. Make sure you good, and then do whatever you gotta do. Looks fine. Possible. Hmm. 9:30 is 9 minutes away. As I said, if it's like close to TP, I might let it go through 9:30. I might, and just put stop loss at break even. If anything, hands clean. So we'll see. We'll see. I got another, I would say, 5 minutes to decide if I want to hold this trade. It's not up crazy. It's only up like $164. Not up crazy. So I gotta decide whether I want to hold it, stop loss at break even, or just close the whole trade. And then I can still risk another 1% on another trade if I choose. Look on the 1 hour. It hasn't taken out yesterday's low. I still like to see if it could take out. I think it could. I'm not gonna count. I think it could take out yesterday's low. Thanks, bro. Appreciate your sub. Appreciate the support. If you got a YouTube channel, post it in the chat box. Post it in Telegram. I'm gonna sub up. I'm gonna put my YouTube channel link up. Facts. Do that, bro. Do that. Do that. Do that, bro. As I said, I'm facts. What? You got 8K subs, my boy? That's what's up. Hey, this is your channel. As soon as I click your channel, it just start blasting music. I'm not sure why. Okay. Okay. What you do? You make music? Look at your videos. Oh, you make beats. Fire. You haven't dropped a new beat in a while though, bro. I think you probably switched off. You probably just into trading now. Not sure.
No, I'll be back. I'll pull out more stuff.
Fire. I'm subbed up, man. 8.9 subs, man. What's up? That's what's up, my guy. Proud of you, man.
Appreciate it. I know I just gotta shoot.
You gotta make some shorts, man. You gotta be more
Yeah.
active on the shorts. Just put some crazy shit up. And trust me, shorts. Listen, I got most of my subs off of shorts. Not gonna cap. I only got 300, but most of them came from shorts. Just put up a 5-10 second clip. That shit run numbers.
Ooh, man. So,
But yeah, I subbed just now, bro. I'm plugged in, man.
oh yeah. Next month, yeah. Shoot, right around the corner, I'm start making content.
Yeah,
Like, I'm gonna have like a little place to where I don't have all the background noise, and I can just focus on making content. Put my head down, making some content.
yeah. Make you some content, bro.
Yeah,
It's only right, man. It's only
like a
right.
basement in a sense. And it'll help me be more focused on trading. No, I'm focused on trading, but it'll be more help me more focused and not like be all over the place. I don't know, do this or having to do that. You know what I'm saying?
I would say, I mean, trading it shouldn't take up a whole bunch of your time, in my opinion. As you got the system down, it shouldn't take much of your time. You shouldn't be making it consume your whole life because it doesn't take that much time. So,
No, I know it doesn't take much time. I'm talking about like my sleep schedule and shit.
I feel you. So stop loss at break even before 9:30. Let's see. I might get stopped out.
No, it shouldn't take up much time. No, the thing is, no, I know how to do it. Ain't no problem. It's just, um, that's why I say it's just like too much clutter. No, but I still make it work.
You can make it work, bro. I believe you can
Yeah.
make it work. You can definitely make it work. How much? Stop loss at break even. Let's see. Whatever happens, happens. 9:30 in 3 minutes. Let's see. I'm on 9:30. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got, man.
God is great. Is it that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great. Is it that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great. Is it that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great. Is it that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great. Is it that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great.
Come on.
Is it that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great. Is it that simple? God is great.
Come on, 9:30. Come on, 9:30. Come on, 9:30. Come on. Come on. Don't fuck me over. Come on. Let's dance. Let's dance. Shit, I might manually close this too. Let's see, 9:30. Give me the 9:30 push. Give me the 9:30 push. Come on, 9:30. Oh, it's gonna fuck me. Come on, 930. Ah. You see my face, 930? You see my face? Come on, stop fucking with me. Stop fucking with me, man. Just drop TP right there. Jeez, it's right there. It's right there, bro. It's right there. If I take an L today, it is what it is, man. It's not even L, it's a break even. It is what it is.
Now I was gonna say, you gotta find the draw on liquidity, or the target, profit target.
Target on liquidity is London low. No, yesterday's lows. That's what I'm looking at
Oh
right
yeah,
now. Look, yesterday's
yeah,
lows is
saying
right
that.
there. Easy
Yeah,
target.
saying that.
Yeah, I wanted to. Definitely do.
What I do move the stop loss from the last lows as the last session's low as taken out, and then trail it from there. Use it like a trailing stop. No, that's up to you.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna fuck with it. It's only the first minute. If it come and take me out, it is what it is, bro.
Oh, you trading US30, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's looking like to me it might target that low of 33,672, and then maybe continue on the reversal. But it's a daily though, daily time frame. On the hour, it looks like all the lows has been taken out.
On the hour? All the lows? This low
Yeah.
right here. This London low right here. The yesterday's lows is right there. But yeah, I'm about to get stopped out right now. I'm probably already
No, I'm
stopped
talking
out.
about
Look at
like
this
if
low
you
right
look
here.
at the grand, like if you look at the grand scale of price.
Yeah, I just got stopped out. It's all good. We take it. Where's the how much did I lose or make today? $8. Cool. We'll take it. It is what it is. Let's see if there's another opportunity around 10 o'clock. It might be. Might be another opportunity. Let me look on the 1 hour. The only opportunity now we'll probably be looking for is buys. I can see it's dropped down, made a double bottom. What they call it? The AM pattern. Possibly look for that. Getting come for the lows.
that simple? God is great. Don't get no simpler than that, bro. God is great.
Stopped out, man. It is what it is. Let's see. Might walk away at like 10, maybe 10:30. Some nice bullish candles going back up into the 9:30. Might be going for this little fair value got that I said earlier. Might come for that. Sounds like US30 moves a little bit more.
As a six-figure day trader, here is one of my trading plans. Number one is never risk more than 1%. Number two is always use a 1 or 2 risk to reward. When price gets to a 1 to 1, I usually have my stop loss to break even. And number three is maximum 2 losses in a day, maximum 2 wins in a day, and maximum 4 losses in a week. That way, when I have 2 wins, I stop trading because usually I get overconfident. And maximum 2 losses in a day because that prevents me from revenge trading. And then maximum 4 losses in a week. That just allows me to go to the week knowing that I won't really blow my account or lose a big chunk of my account.
In your relationship with your man, would you say he spent more on you, or have you spent more on him?
At the beginning, it was definitely him more, but now it's kind of equal.
Do you guys live together?
Yeah.
Does he pay for most of the bills?
Yeah, he pays for, like, more of the utilities and stuff.
And what do you cover?
My half of the rent.
Does your man move in with you, or are you gonna move in with your man?
Well, in our situation, I moved with him.
So if he's going to California, you're following him.
Yeah.
So you're on his program.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it work if he was on yours?
I don't know, I just think I'm a teacher, so I think I could find a job anywhere. There's always schools that I think that, you know, it's easier for me to pick up and follow him than for him to follow me.
Do you think it would be too much pressure if you...
How not to pay off your...
This dude is a Turkish crypto millionaire, and he got 11,196 years in jail.
That's literally longer than all of human recorded history.
The pyramids weren't built.
Giza was just sand.
No Bible,
No Stonehenge.
no Quran, nothing. How could you explain yourself in a Turkish court? You walk into court in Turkey.
Judge doesn't know what crypto is. No clue.
Not baklava, coffee. There's a dude in the corner with ice cream. And you say, Judge, blockchain technology.
Guilty.
What? Imagine you've got that sentence. Imagine after your 6th year. Only 11,190 years to go.
All downhill from here. Smooth sailing.
Hard part's over. This dude.
If you don't have a
It's
passion,
fucking crazy.
if you're good at technology, behind the scenes crew, you're getting paid. Whether you want to be somebody's videographer, clothing brands is pretty cool. Like,
I would take a business loan out of community credit.
but be realistic. He's 19
Desperate, yeah.
in the middle of South Dakota
Desperate.
and doesn't know what to
That's what I'm saying, bro.
go. What's your advice?
Alright, I'm
Osiris is a known scammer now. A couple of years ago, like I got a DM from him, 1v1 me for 10,000 basketball, and I was like, oh bro, like I'm so down. Like I'll make a lit YouTube video out of it. Like I played a rapper for 10K, and so like I play him and like I beat him pretty quick, and he's like, oh, double or nothing. And I'm like, yeah, like fuck it, why not? And then I beat him double or nothing. Then he's like, double or nothing. I beat him double or nothing, and it probably was more than 60,000. I lost track, bro, because we played like 5 times. And I literally like the 5th game, he was up like 9-3, and it was to 11, and I came back, bro. I was so tired, and I was like, I'm gonna buy a new deck for my house. Like, I'm gonna upgrade this. And bro, after he was like, oh, that's nothing for me. Like, I could play one show, I get 100,000, and he has me like call his a fake accountant. He left. I never got the money. I hit him, and then he stopped responding to me, and I was like, I'm gonna just leave it. YK Osiris is a.
But that lady, that new press secretary, dude, she's a gangster. Have you seen that video? You've never seen someone more prepared for a question in your life, Jamie.
Well, first let me note, I was asked a question about President's travel restrictions. I noted what was the intent behind those travel restrictions, which is we will not see the coronavirus come here. I guess I would turn the question back on the media and ask similar questions. Does Vox want to take back that they proclaimed that the coronavirus would not be a deadly pandemic? Does the Washington Post want to take back that they told Americans to get a grip, the flu is bigger than the coronavirus? Does the Washington Post likewise want to take back that our brains are causing us to exaggerate the threat of the coronavirus? Does the New York Times want to take back that fear of the virus may be spreading faster than the virus itself? Does NPR want to take back that the flu was a much bigger threat than the coronavirus? I'll leave you with those questions, and maybe you'll have some answers.
Drink that shit in, Jamie. You were prepared for that. Oh, yeah. Like you with your practice bullshit question? But that late, I got emotional with me. Cried quite openly.
It's time for me to hit the ball.
Come on.
I have a Rolex.
One of my mentors, a person in my life, was like a very successful billionaire guy, and I'm talking to him about opening my gym, and I was like, dude, I'm so afraid to do this because I don't know how it's going to convert into person because like everything's online. The gym's the first like brick and mortar thing that I'm doing. And he's like, well, like, but you've gone this far. Like, why would you even question that or worry about that? And I'm like, well, I'm just worried because like it's all this money. It says $600,000. Like the gym was like 500, and then like there's another building. So like $600,000-$700,000 to like start this up. X amount of years is like $7 million, some crazy, right? And I'm all on the hook for that. And I'm like worried about it. He's like, well, like you got this far. Like why would you question it now? One of my men.
I just got this text.
You probably know of Iman Gaji. He's been blowing up on YouTube. Last year, I ended up going to Dubai and staying with him for a few days. And I wasn't expecting this because I was like, really much into like bodybuilding and I'd be lifting, eating loads of carbs and everything. And I ended up doing a workout with him. I'm going to be totally honest, he logged the fuck out of me. We went on bench press and he did one warm-up set and then he stuck 115 kilograms on the bar and did it for 3 reps. I was like, fuck, that's actually pretty good. Like, and it just felt weird that this guy who was smaller than me, his life wasn't about fitness and mine was at the time, was outlifting me. And the same thing with deadlift. His deadlift was like 20 and 30 kilograms.
Trash.
And I asked him, okay, tell me, like, what?
Oh, sure, can I see it by the profit target will be anywhere from already has left. Sort of, let me see it. Yeah, but the profit target will be anywhere from if it's for a quick scout, 33,945 up until so that's take profit 1. Take profit 2 will be anywhere from 33,975. Yeah, that'll be the 2 take profits for a quick scout.
Which one are you taking?
For US30.
You taking it?
Yeah. But I gotta see create my entry pattern. I'll call it. See the inverted fair value gap. Actually it has a fair value gap. Becoming an inverted fair value gap next to order block. But I gotta see that confirmation. Okay, okay. Then I gotta see what's going on. Okay, at the price actions mentioned. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, but for the quick in and out will be 33. Like I stated before, 33 945. Yeah, 3945. That'll be my quick in and out entry.
I'm gonna wait. I think that 10 o'clock news is probably gonna bring better price action.
Oh yeah, it's always like 9:30 is always to liquidate all the traders. And then when 10 o'clock hits, it's the the real direction of the market may come through and whatnot. See, it's one waiting on a confirmation. So yeah, wait like what, 5 more minutes or something?
I'm waiting for 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock don't give me nothing. I'm walk away. It is what it is.
It's coming.
I ain't forcing nothing, you feel me?
Oh, well, it just kept coming down.
for me. I don't really see a move.
Yeah.
US30 might melt. I see NAS is already melting. Price is dropping like this.
And great sub. If you got in on before 9:30 or around 9:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see that buy confirmation. I was just trying to see if it was gonna create like another inverted fair value gap, but that didn't happen. I did create a fair value gap on Nasdaq. No, like, you can't miss it. It's right there.
Hmm.
That's on the Nasdaq, right? You see that it did create like a fair value
You
gap.
see the fair value gap on US30, 1-2, took out, dropped.
Yeah. Yeah, they go to the daily. Okay, looks like it's gonna hit the daily drawn liquidity, which is 14,447, I think.
Mm.
No, 14,4. I mean 14,542. I'm sorry. Okay, it took out the hourly drawn liquidity. Yeah, it's gonna keep selling.
Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, now okay, the next drawn liquidity is gonna be the same 33.97. The 33, yeah, the 33.794. That'll be the first. That'll be the TP one I'll have, and then on my little TP2. What should be the next strong liquidity will be 33,630 or 634. I'd put 630. Which will be a lot in pips, by the way.
Mark it up and put it in the group chat, bro. Or put it in the chat box. You know you can put it on a Zoom. You can put it on the Zoom chat box.
Okay. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna put the. Yeah, I'm gonna put the mark up. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna lie, my chart's gonna look a little messy. Okay, increase price. 33,852. Stop loss 33,900.
This story shows us the importance of appreciating one's expertise and experience. If a person does a job in 30 minutes, it's because that person spent 20 years learning how to do it in 30 minutes. You owe the person for the years, not the minutes.
All right.
A giant
840.
You got 2 minutes left.
Take profit. I didn't even get to put my analysis, but I'm gonna go from there. 630 or 633.
Apple updates gonna get us caught up. This right here is a new Apple update. And I'm convinced that who's ever doing these updates is made by a female. A hurt female at that. A female that's been lied to and cheated on at that. Look at this update, y'all. This is a new feature called check-in. It'll let your girl know what route you took to get home and how long it took you to get home. And on top of that, it lets her know what your battery like, what your signal like, and what your internet look like.
Nah, that's crazy.
And even to the point, it let her know what your watch battery look like.
Oh, you know what? 650. I'll move up to 650 now.
Unlocked your phone. All that. You unlocked your phone 20 minutes.
Nah, this is crazy.
Yeah, I know it's a crazy risk to reward. But it's on a daily though. It's on a daily time frame. Based the way I'm looking at it. Like on the hourly, it looks like all of it's done on the hourly. But on the daily, it looks like it's more than likely gonna head on down to the daily. The daily drawn liquidity.
Mm.
No, I was originally looking for a buy, but that didn't happen. Now it's 10 o'clock. There we go. Yep.
Let's see if it give me anything now. It might not. Nah, price action is trash. I'm finna walk away. Not gonna cap. I'm finna walk away. Finna end the stream.